Hey, it's Carrie from the Pilot Sisters. It's a Saturday in May because I can't remember which day it is. I'm here in Georgia, just getting ready to go fly in a Cessna with my instructor. I am working on my flight instructor certification here in Georgia, while Abby is actually in Alaska flight instructing. Kind of a crazy week just because it's complicated. I'm doing flight training at a university in Utah, but I decided not to work on my flight instructor certification out there and to do it here at home in Georgia. However, the flight school in Utah has been closed. I had to take a break on the specific training I was working out in Utah, which is my multi-engine commercial training, to come out here during the COVID pandemic. Next week, they're calling us back to Utah basically to finish up that training. Today, I am going to go fly with my flight instructor in a Cessna 150, just a two-seater plane. For those who aren't familiar with aviation, a lot of training flights are flown in Cessna 150s or a Cessna 172, a Skyhawk, just because they are cheap time builders basically. Our fuel burn in the Cessna I'm about to go fly is like 4 or 5 gallons an hour, which is super cheap relative to other aircraft. I mean, flying isn't anything cheap. The strip that we're going to land on is grass strip, about 2,400 feet of runway. Never landed on a grass strip before, so it should be an adventure. This airport, it's Peach State Aerodrome. It's about like 20 miles away from where I actually fly out of at Falcon Field. Has a restaurant, so my instructor and I are going to go get a $100 burger. We just got back from our Peach State soft field, short field experience. They had really good burgers. Definitely worth the flight down there. Super fun to land at a grass strip, a little bit shorter, like put some of the skills, the things I've learned before and actually like put them to test. Quick flight from Falcon Field, 10 out of 10, recommend. Had some good conversations, just there was a couple other guys there with their planes, and so had some fun chats. I think people were surprised talking to me and my flight instructor that I was the one who flew and landed the plane. So that was a funny experience. You just can't help but laugh sometimes.